Guys, welcome. This is my first video. Let's see this new update. I've been grinding a little, guys. So it's 10 in night. Right now it's 10 p.m. I almost got this, but I knew there is a summer pass. So guys, if you enter the game right now, go up here and get yourself a free sand egg. Now guys, sorry for that, someone's watching a video next to me. Don't mind that. Now let's explore. It was hard for this, but it's coming next week. Okay, arm right here. Mr. Beast shop. Not quite. Now let's get to the interesting part. There is actually a secret area here. Not kinda secret, but kinda. If you defeat Brad 100 times, you'll get this. Heat Wave 1. That gives you 20% coconuts. Now let's go grinding. I will be back in a few. I'm gonna take 10, probably 1 hour, and for you guys it's gonna be like 5 seconds. We're back, guys. So I went to get some coconuts. Now let's open. Sand tiger, elephant. Okay. Guys, please like and subscribe. And guys, if you like a pet, comment your username down below. I will be doing a giveaway probably next week with some event pets. I will be trying to get, let's see, what's the rarest? Maybe Sand Dragon or Sandy Tried. Sand Axolotl maybe. So guys, if you enjoyed the new update, go on. Make sure to comment your username and subscribe. Goodbye.